In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online, how to add income to projects for accurate tracking. If you use projects in QuickBooks Online, it's important to make sure income is assigned correctly so you can see how much revenue each project is generating. This helps you track performance more accurately and gives you a clearer picture of profitability inside the project center. To get started, go to the left-hand menu in QuickBooks Online and click on Projects. This will open your list of existing projects. From here, select the specific project you want to work with so you can open its details. It's a good idea to confirm you're in the right project before entering anything, especially if you manage several jobs for the same customer. Keeping that organized from the beginning makes your reporting much cleaner later on. Once you're inside the correct project, the next step is to assign income using a sales form. Click the plus new button, then choose either invoice or sales receipt, depending on how you're recording the transaction. An invoice is typically used when you plan to collect payment later, while a sales receipt is used when the payment is received right away. Choosing the right form helps keep your bookkeeping accurate and matches the way the sale actually happened. When the form opens, look for the Customer or Customer Project drop-down field. This part is very important. Instead of selecting only the main customer name, choose the specific project name linked to that customer. That's what tells QuickBooks to attach the income directly to the project. If you select only the top-level customer, the transaction may still be recorded as income, but it won't appear correctly inside the project's financial tracking. After that, fill out the form with the products or services you're billing for. Enter the correct rates and quantities so the total reflects the actual income for that project. Take a moment to review the details before saving, since accurate line items make project reports much more useful later. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close to record the income. That's all it takes to add income to a project in QuickBooks Online. By making sure each sales transaction is linked to the exact project name, you'll be able to track revenue more accurately and keep your project reporting organized and reliable.